I'm Julie. I'm an artist and owner of Art Lessons LA, and I'm going to show you how to hydro dip a hat and a cool pouch. So I actually primed these items yesterday with some flat white spray paint, so you're going to want to do that and then let it dry overnight. And I also taped the hat with some painter's tape so I wouldn't get the rim covered, but that's optional. Throw your gloves on so you don't get spray paint on your hands, and then you're gonna pick your selection of colors. You should wear a mask before you start spraying spray paint because it is toxic fumes. So you're gonna grab your spray paints. First you wanna shake them. You also wanna spray it a little bit upside down first, which helps unclog the tip. And then you're gonna take two colors and spray close to the surface, alternating each color. Add some other colors. Once you're satisfied with your design, I think I like how this looks now, I'm gonna grab my bag, look at the surface and see where you like the design, and then we're gonna stick our bag on top, push it underneath, and we're gonna move the paint away from the sides. All right, that was successful. So I'm gonna leave this out on the tarp here to dry. Next, I have this cool trucker hat we're gonna hydro dip. So I'm gonna go with some darker blues this time, maybe some light green and pink. I'm happy with my marble design here, so I'm gonna take my hat and get it ready to dip. Voila, and then I'm gonna set it on the tarp to dry, preferably overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this intro to hydro dipping. It's a really fun way to upcycle old pieces like hats or bags. For other videos, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe below.